Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Volkswagen Passat, 1997 to 2005? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Passat, 1997 to 2005, controls interior electrical systems such as lights, power windows, central locking, and infotainment components. The relay panel in the Volkswagen Passat, 1997 to 2005, manages high current circuits for key systems like the fuel pump, headlights, radiator fan, and ignition. The auxiliary relay panel behind the main relay panel in the Volkswagen Passat, 1997 to 2005, supports additional systems like heated seats, fog lights, and other optional equipment. The auxiliary relay panel above the main relay panel in the Volkswagen Passat, 1997 to 2005, handles relays for convenience and comfort features such as sunroof, wipers, and interior monitoring systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.